Hello students, today we are going to learn Java program through BlueJ. How to start BlueJ, how to open BlueJ, how to create a program, how to run the program, everything, all the things we have to learn through BlueJ. So let's start how to start BlueJ. Today we are going to learn and understand the BlueJ program and implementing program through BlueJ. First, you have to click on the BlueJ icon on the desktop to open the BlueJ dialog box. First, you have to double click over this icon to open the window. Look at this video very carefully to understand all the things. Then you have to create new class option. Here you will get the new class option to create your class name. Click on new class, one window already open here. Put the class name. I have put the class name here. Hello, H is capital E double L O, hello. I have given the class name hello. Okay. Look at here, the class came here. The hello came here. Double click over here to open the window. The window now open. Now you have to clear all the things. Press Ctrl plus A to select all and press delete button from the keyboard to delete whole contents. Now here I want to do some simple calculation program. How to do? I want to take some integer number from the outside from the user. So before implementing class, as we all know, we have start the program to write the class name. So before implementing class, we have to implement one library package. Name of this library package is util package. First I have to write import space java dot util dot start semicolon. Next line you have to write class. What the class name I have given already, hello, H capital E double L O, hello. Next line, second bracket open. Now you have to write public static void main string args, third bracket open close, first bracket close. Next line, second bracket open. Java dot util dot start, this package consider the scanner class. Now you have to create a scanner class. S is capital SCA double N E R, scanner. You have to provide a name, that is a user defined name. As per your choice, you just put the name. I have put it here SC equal to new scanner. Within bracket you have to write system dot in. Be remember student, Java is a case sensitive language. So what are the case we have implemented in our program, we must have to maintaining the case. The word scanner, the first letter of the scanner always be in the capital letters, I mean the uppercase, and the first letter of the system, the first character of the word system in uppercase. Come to the next line. Here I want to take two number from the outside and do some calculation, either sum, average, whatever. So I have print one thing here. I want to print here SYSTEM system dot out dot print ln. I print here one message within double inverted comma, enter first number. Come to the next line. I am taking one integer variable, integer n1, that is the user defined name. I am taking the variable name as n1, mean number 1, equal to SC, scanner SC. The word SC can read the data from the outside, whatever the data you are going to input through the keyboard. What the numeric data? SC dot next int, first bracket open close semicolon. N1 can hold the first number. What the number you are going to input here. So same next line, no need to write once again, I just copy paste these things. Control C, come to the next line, Control V. Here I just change, instead of first just write second number, enter second number. Here I just change the variable n2. So if you want to take more integer number from the user, so you can implement in the same way. Suppose I want to take 4 number from the outside. Control C, Control V. Here I mention here third, THIRD, third. Here I mention fourth, FOURTH, fourth. And here I mention the variable name is N3. Here I mention the variable name is n4. Now come to the next line. I am taking one variable, name of the variable is tot. To find out the total, int space TOTAL, total. I am taking the variable name total to be understand clearly. Total equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4 semicolon. Now I am taking one variable, that is the float type of variable. The data type identifier is float, that is name of the variable is average. I am taking the variable average. So you know how to find out the average of 4 integer total number. Total, the variable total hold the total value of the addition of n1 to n4. So total divide by 4 semicolon. Okay, now we have to print total and average. Now you have to print total and average. System dot out dot print ln. Here I print what the message we want to print. We want to print what the message. So according to your choice, what you like, we just put here. The same message can shown to the console screen. I just print here total equal to default total equal to, it has shown to the screen without any hesitation. Now the value plus TOTAL total semicolon system dot out dot print ln average equal to plus average average bracket close semicolon. Now you have to go main close class close. Clear? Then click compile. Package Java util does not exist. So I have done something wrong over here. I have mistakes here. JAVA spelling mistake. So I have correct the spelling. Java.util.start. Click on the compile button to compile the program. Then our program, look at here, class compile, no syntax error. It means our program compiled successfully. Now I have to close the window. Click on over here the class name hello. Click on void main. Click OK. Now see, enter first number. I put here 100. Enter second number. I put here 200. Enter third number. Put here 255. Enter fourth number. Click here 525. Enter. Total 1080, average 27.0. So this is our program. This is the way we have to create a program and run the program through BlueJ compiler.